if you can't farm this, you're genuinely a lazy bastard, bro. You don't deserve to get any airdrops. I swear to God. People, they will be saying, "Oh yeah, I want to do this airdrop," and then they just do it for 1 or 2 days, and then that's it. And then they expect a fat check at the end. Okay, anyways, I found this one, right? It's called Assisterr, and it's more oriented towards the devs, but you don't have to be a dev to do this. You can see here it says building an infrastructure layer for community-owned AI models. So this is more in the AI infrastructure niche, and they're currently in testnet right now. So because they're in testnet, we could, test out stuff, and we can see here it says incentivized testnet, and incentivized for all those that don't know or beginners, it means to make someone want to do something, which means aka reward, right? Whenever you see incentivized next to something, that means there's going to be a reward for what you're about to do. So that's why. And if we look at the follower account, look at the follower account, bro. 77K, that's not that much. And they've been around since November 2022, probably even earlier than that. They've been building on this. So they've been building for some time. And if you go on LinkedIn, you can see all the people that are working, not everyone, but the main people, right? You can see they're doxed. So the co-founder is doxed and CEO is doxed. So incentivized driven network of small language models, you can see Assisterr is right there. And you can see basically his whole career essentially on here. So yeah, it looks like he's experienced. Oh, he's from Cambridge, down. Okay, so you can see here that this guy's doxed and everything, and oh, he's from London as well. Okay, but yeah, this guy's doxed. He's got everything under control. It looks like. Agent, it says agent join testnet. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I think there might be a referral. If there's not a referral, I'll just put the link in there. But you don't have to use my referral if you don't want to. That's fine. But anyways, I'm gonna connect to my burner wallet here. You can see here the reason why I'm using a burner wallet is because there is possibility of getting drained. So just it doesn't matter what airdrop you're doing. Don't use your main wallet. Use airdrop dedicated wallet. Okay, so make a fresh wallet and just do that. And then let me connect again. So connect. I'll use Phantom. And then connect, confirm, and then it will tell me create your account. So let's just make any username. I'll say Benjii. Okay, and then Benjii test. Let's just say that. Start building, and then you can see it tells you five SAR. I can't speak from this. Let's just go to the Discord authentication. So it's gonna ask you and trigger you for your Discord. And go authorize. Go Twitter. So this is to prevent bots, by the way. This is why they're asking for this. So Twitter authentication. Some problems happen. So whatever, it doesn't matter. So basically, you can see here. I already done it before because this was just a tutorial. You can see here. I usually check for things if it's safe before doing anything, before sharing it. That's why. But take your reward immediately with synthetic tokens after each task completion, which means that these are synthetic tokens. These are testnet tokens. This is what this is, right? The sASSR. That's the token, right? So if we go down here, you can see it says join server after you've done that. Verify the role. So you have to go on the Discord. You have to go on the Discord and then you have to verify yourself through the Discord, and then to make sure that you're not a bot, obviously, and follow on the account that you just connected, and then like a post that you on the account you just connected, and then repost, and then subscribe on the Telegram. And on the Telegram, they also showed, I can see there's a screenshot here, which is official. Uh, what is sASSR and can I sell it, right? It says here the token is a synthetic token, aka a testnet token, used in the testnet to record community contributions. Those will be exchangeable for our mainnet token at the TGE, token generation event, which means the token is created, right? The real token, at a rate announced in due time, and the token is not transferable at the moment of testnet launch, which makes sense. This is to prevent civils and stuff like that. Are there any on-chain tasks that I will be able to complete? At the moment, there are no on-chain tasks, but as we move through the stages of the testnet, we will migrate some actions on to on-chain, which I will update here. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in the pinned comment for the next part of the thing if you're watching this at a later date. Is there any limit of the amount of referrals I can invite to the testnet? Absolutely not. Bear in mind that if any abuse or bot activity will be found, you'll get a cut on your final reward. So yeah, makes sense. But yeah, there is a referral. Oh yeah, there is a referral. Okay, you can use mine if you want to, if you really want to support me. Yeah, but please don't be a stupid idiot. Okay, don't be a stupid idiot and fade this because this is the easiest crap ever. What I do is I make a folder and I just put all the stuff that I have to do on that day. And I actually got a Notion page for this, right? So if you look over here, I've got all the different um all the what is it called? All the different airdrops that I'm doing currently. So it will say if it's in progress, if it's finished, if it's completed, it will be here. So you're not doing it for no reason, and it's already ended. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. And I also tier them in terms of how much money they'll probably make you. So you can see here tier S, tier S, tier A. You get what I mean. And then if I go to, I think this is the link. This is what I see in it. But this is what you guys are gonna see. You're gonna see this. So this is how you guys will see it when I send the link through. You can see my Twitter's here, my YouTube is here, and TikTok is here, and then Discord is soon. Um, I'm gonna make the Discord soon, but you can see here Berachain. We got Berachain here, and then we got Ionet. We got all the the good ones, and then if you click on them, it will give you even more detail. So it will tell you how much the cost is. If you're not the person with capital, you know what I mean. If you're not a big boy with capital, that's fine. You've got something for you. And then you can see airdrop statuses teased by team, layer one, testnet, EVM, like what chain it's on, how much it's raised, and I'll put the link for this because I don't just BS, you know what I mean? I don't BS, I don't like doing that. I'll put everything in here. I'll put everything in project overview right here. And then the website is basically whatever I put in website means just the main website, like what it's about and everything like that, what the project is about. And the social is usually the Twitter. I know I don't put Discord here. It's because on the Twitter they already show you a Discord if they have one or a Telegram, so there's not really any point. And then referral URL, I'll put a dash if I don't have one, but if I do have one, for example, on I think it is Xeon. Yeah. So I got one here, and this is to support me if you want to support me, because I won't ask any money off of you. I never will ask any money off of you. But you can see here, everything's here. Everything here is for free. On this channel, everything you need to do is for free. Everything that I provide is for free. Okay, you don't need to go and pay for a course. That's BS, man. I know one guy, he's on YouTube, that offers a course on how to do airdrops. Like, does that even make sense, bro? And then there's people like me that don't get nothing, no recognition or nothing, but it's fine, it don't matter. You know, more money for us, I guess. You can see here that this is gonna be pretty good because testnet, right? It's on testnet right now in Q2, which is now. And for those who don't know what Q2, Q1 is, so it's basically quarters of the year split up in four. So we got Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So it says Q2, so June, it looks like. The testnet isn't gonna last very long, it looks like. Maybe they'll bleed it over into the next month, so July. So if you look here, it says mainnet. So it looks like mainnet will be in probably my guess is because they still said they're gonna add on-chain tasks. So it looks like it's possibly gonna be on July, August, and September, one of these, but I'm thinking August because July is probably when the introduction of the on-chain tasks comes in. But yeah. Also, oh yeah, I forgot this, but you can see here it says refresh in 51 minutes, but it's because I've already done it. But basically, you have to claim this. It's I think it's a faucet. I don't know, but just claim it every time, and it does it every 12 hours instead of the 24 hours. So you get to do it twice. So what I recommend is waking up in the morning 9 a.m. and then 9 p.m. you claim it again, go to sleep, you know what I mean? So you don't miss them. So yeah, if you claim it at like 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. unless you're up like a degen like me, it'll be fine either way. But anyways, it's gonna be based on Solana, which I like. I don't like EVM at all. And then they've also got the Monad, which is interesting. They're gonna be on Monad, it looks like, um, as well. They're gonna integrate it. So yeah, looks like not many people know about this project, and it's on Solana. So, and once again, they say it again, incentive driven. So you're gonna get rewarded for this. I'm not sure how much, but my guess is if you're active on this, because it's hella simple and it's underfarmed right now, at least $150. I feel like $100 to 150, possibly. Right? If you're like extremely active and maybe on the on-chain, because we're really early right now, probably 200 or more. So that's why. And also do referrals. If you do referrals, like maybe even 5 to 10, because most people can only do one or two. And after that, there's like big spikes in rewards after like two referrals. If you can refer more people, then you'll be fine on it. You'll make probably $300 to $400 easily. And then at the same time, you know, this is just, it's really basic, bro. It takes you like a few seconds. Don't fade this. Please don't fade this. Do this every day, bro. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm gonna add it over here, just in case for more details, and I'll put all the details in there for everything. So for all the airdrops that we're farming is gonna be here. And that's pretty much it, man. And you even got the airdrop tasks here. If you want to go through all of them at one time, you could do that. So yeah, just follow me on Twitter, follow me on YouTube and TikTok, okay? And I'll put the Discord soon. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.